Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to learn how to join two curve profiles and make a single curve in Autodesk Inventor. We will do this with the help of intersection curve command and make this pipe profile. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, we will take a standard part in millimeter and create. Go to 2D sketch and from here we will select XY plane. Go to line command. First make a rough sketch, a vertical line and here a line. Okay, skip. Now go to dimensions. The vertical height of this will be 30 mm and the total height of this will be 60 mm. The horizontal height of total 65 mm. Okay, this will be the profile. Now we will give a fillet over here. So go to fillet, take a radius as 25 mm and select this line and this line. Now here a radius of 25 is created. Now finish sketch and we'll go to top view, rotate it. From origin we will select the exact plane and create sketch. Now we will rotate it slightly and go to project geometry and project this point. Okay, top view. Now you can see the yellow point. Now go to line command. Here also we will make a curve profile like this. Skip. Go to dimension. This height of 20 mm and the total height here will be of 50 mm and the total horizontal length will be of 65 mm. Okay, now go to fillet again, fillet of 25 mm radius, this edge and this. Okay, now finish sketch, rotate the view. So this is the first curve and this is the second curve. Now we will join both these curves. Go to 3D sketch, go to intersection curve, select this first sketch and select the second sketch and okay. Now you can see a yellow curve being created in between this. Now finish sketch. We will hide the first sketch and then second sketch we will hide. So this is the final curve which we require. Now to make a pipe profile on it, we will make a new plane. So go to plane command, select this bottom point and select this line. A new plane is been created. Select this plane, create sketch. Go to project geometry and select this point. Okay, now go to circle command and on this point make a circle of dia 18 mm and one circle of dia we will take let's take 22. Go to 3D model, select sweep command and select this inner profile and the path will be this curve. Go to home view. So this will be the pipe profile and okay. This is the hollow pipe. Now after making this, we will make the flange profiles. Rotate the view and select this face. Go to create sketch. Here go to circle command and make a circle of dia 35 mm. As it's not constrained, so go to concentric Select this circle and select this circle. Now this is on same center point of this circle, and from here go to 3D model, or first go to circle command, make one more circle of dia 22, finish sketch and extrude. Here extrude it up to 3 mm and flip the direction. It will join with the pipe and okay. Now rotate it, select this base, create sketch. Same we will do. This time we will project it. Go to project geometry, select this outer circle. Now make a circle from this center point. Make a circle of dia 35. Go to 3D model. Okay, make one more circle of dia 18 mm or 22 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Go to extrude. Select this inner profile. Flip the direction. Select join and okay. So these are the flange. Now we will make the joining holes. Create sketch. Go to circle command. Make a circle of dia 30, and on this circle make a dia of 3 mm. Okay. Now to make them constrain, go to concentric, select this and this. This is constraint. To constrain this circle, go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay. The 30 dia circle is for reference. It is the PCD with circle diameter. So select this and make it a construction geometry. Now we want a pattern of this. So go to circular pattern, select this profile, and axis of rotation will be the PCD. The count here will be of 6 and okay. Go to 3D model, extrude. Okay. First go to sketch, select this outer edge, make it a construction geometry, and go to 3D model, extrude. Now make a window over here. It will only select the whole profiles. Here go to cut, take a depth of 3 mm and okay. Similarly we will do here. Select this face, create sketch, go to project geometry, project this point, this circle, go to circle command, make a circle of dia 30, and on this make a circle of dia 3. Go to vertical constraint, this and this. Okay. Escape. Select this circle. Make it construction geometry. Now go to circular pattern. Select this circle. Go to axis and select this axis. Count of 6 and okay. Now finish sketch, or first escape. Select this circle and make it a construction geometry. Now finish. Similarly we will do here also. Go to extrude, select these whole profiles, flip the direction to cut and okay. Now select this plane. We will hide this. Select the plane here, right click, turn off the visibility, rotate the view, Now we will define the color. From here we will go to metal 1800F. Okay, so this is the final profile. So this was a basic tutorial to how to use the intersection curve command in Autodesk Inventor software for making a pipe profile. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.